Okay, so this is my Creality Ender 3 V3KE, and I just got the Nebula camera. So I'm going to do a very quick review. I'm very new to 3D printing. I have this for like 2 weeks now or something like that. I've been printing in it, but it's very loud, especially when the cooling fans are on. But also the PSU fan is also loud. So I got this now in the back room of my apartment where it won't bother me when I'm working, but I need to keep my eyes on it, on the prints. So I got this camera. Let's see what's inside and how to set it up. So here it is. That's the little camera. It's manual focus by what I can see, so you have to adjust it once you place it somewhere. There's not really a place to put it, but check. Okay, just an USB cable and a little flimsy tripod, so you could kind of put it somewhere. But I will end up printing a 3D bracket that goes on this side, runs right to the front here, and places the camera like in this position, filming from right here. There's another bracket that you can install here, I think, or here. So there's a lot of 3D models and printables that you can just download and print on this printer. Okay, I'm set up right here right now, but I need to get this spool off to get the print a little bit more back and to the side, and I will just print a bracket now for the runout sensor, and I plan to film this with the camera. So let's turn the printer on. Let me just untangle this cable. There's like a tripod mount on the back side here, got a plastic here. Okay, and then let's just plug in the cable to the Nebula pad and see what happens. So I have it here. Let's just sit it down on the side. Let's just check this out. So if I go to config, camera settings, so video list, there's nothing in here. AI calibration, I don't know what that's gonna do. AI detection. So this is supposed to check if there's something going wrong with your print during the print. I'm not going to enable this now, but it seems to be working, like at least from what I can check here. I will go to the computer now and we'll see if we can see something from the computer. So I'm now at my PC. This is the website from the printer, and as you can see, the frame rate from the image is very low. The quality is okay-ish. Yeah, I think a good webcam might actually have better image quality. The frame rate, like I said, is very low, but I think it's more a problem of my Wi-Fi than the camera itself or the Nebula pad. And that's it. I'm having better results accessing the platform directly to the web browser than through Creality Print or Orca Slicer. So I'm mainly monitoring it through the web page instead of using Creality Print, for instance. And in the image you also see that there is a lot of shaking going on. Although the frame rate is low, even with low frame rate you can see that the camera is shaking quite a lot. I think it would actually be better if the camera is mounted not directly on the printer itself, but on the wall or on the shelf. So I plan in the future to move the camera off the printer to have a more stable image. That's it.